Support agents kept telling us the same thing. I want the order data and every integration I've added on the very first screen. No more clicking through tabs. So we redesigned the inbox around one goal: help you resolve a ticket in 30 seconds or under. Open any ticket and you need three things: a quick read of what's going on, a fast way to approve what the AI has lined up, and the evidence to trust it. It starts with the summary card, the intent of the ticket, the customer's mood, what's happened so far, and what needs your approval. One glance and you're oriented. Then the AI co-pilot, a drafted reply and an internal note sitting ready. Apply all, edit, or reject. In the ideal case, the ticket ends right here. Want to verify? The context now sits beside the thread. Orders, spend, subscriptions, every integration you've added loading with the ticket, and you can reorder what you want on top. The whole inbox is yours to shape. Drag the panels where you work best. Resize every section, and on a narrow screen, it folds back into tabs so everything still fits. Turn it on from your profile menu, the new conversation view, and if you miss the old layout, switch back anytime. The new agent layout from Richpanel, built to get you to 30 seconds. Try it and tell us what you think.